Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Dollartub app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is log into your Dollartub account once you've opened it up, and then go to the earnings or wallet section in your dashboard. And then check if you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, which is usually around $100. Then simply click on withdraw or request money. Then from here, choose your preferred withdrawal amount. So commonly listed options include PayPal, bank transfer, Paytm, or Cash App. Then simply enter your payment details as required, then submit your withdrawal request. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. So you usually can't withdraw until you hit a specific earnings threshold, which is $100. Even after reaching that, you may be required to complete additional tasks or refer a certain number of people before the withdrawal is approved, unfortunately. So the process may be delayed or never even completed. And some users I've read on Reddit or forums have reported not receiving their money. So be careful with this app. There's often no real-time support or updates about payment statuses as well.